I have no idea if I've seen that vehicle before. Maybe. Definitely. I can see a clear phone there. She's typing. Oh, I can definitely see a lit up phone screen. Hello there, madam. Even in your lap is not good enough. You can't be using your phone, madam. And leaving it in your lap is still using it. I would suggest you put it away and not pick it up until you get where you're going. I'm going to report it.
Excuse me, are you the guy from TikTok?
I am.
Hello?
You want a selfie?
Yeah.
I'll come with you. I did see your partner there looking down a little bit, but I didn't see anything, so I was like, leave it.
How come you do this, bro?
For the good of people. Hey, here we go. Don't get caught out. Have a good day.
Alright then.
No, of TikTok though.